Welcome to this Intro to Outlook training video. In this video, we will be showing you how to access Outlook, how to navigate Outlook, and how to use its features. Please note that Outlook is only available for faculty, staff, and student assistants. If you are just a student at CSUSB, you will not have access to Outlook. You have different ways to access your Outlook. Outlook will work exactly the same no matter how you access it. Your first option is to sign into your MyCoyote. Once you're logged in, click on the Faculty and Staff email tile. You will be redirected to the web version of Outlook. To set up your Outlook client for Windows, open Outlook and enter your email address in the format ID number csusb.edu, then press Connect. You will be redirected to your MyCoyote login screen. Authenticate with Duo. Your emails will download to the Outlook client. To set up your Outlook client for macOS, open Outlook and select Preferences. Click on Accounts and Add Email Account. Enter your email address in the format ID number at csusb.edu and click Continue. You will be redirected to your MyCoyote login screen. Authenticate with Duo. Your emails will download to the Outlook client. For the rest of this training, I will be using the Outlook desktop app. Once you're in Outlook, you will see your inbox, sent items, and other respective folders. Click on your inbox to open your emails. If any accounts have been shared with you, you will see them under your email folders. Click on the drop-down next to the email address to either maximize or minimize the view of that email. To create a new folder, right-click on the folder where you want the subfolder housed, click New Folder, name your new folder, and hit Enter. Right-click on the subfolder to rename, move, or delete the folder, among other options. You can draft a new email by clicking on the New Email button on the top left. A new window will open. You can change the From field if you have access to send emails from a different email address. To add a new email address to send from, click on the drop-down button next to the From and click Other Email Address. Click on From and search for the office that you will be sending the email on behalf of. Click OK. OK one more time, and you're all set. To attach a file to an email, click on the paperclip and then click on Attach File. You can see recent files, search for a specific file either on your desktop or OneDrive, or attach an email as an attachment. To create a new signature, click on Signatures, Signatures one more time, and once this new dialog box pops up, click on New, name your signature, hit OK, and customize your signature to your liking. For campus signatures, it is recommended that you have your name and pronouns if you like to add them, your position title, office and/or division you work for, our campus name, California State University, San Bernardino, and your phone number. This can be either your direct line or the main office line. Hit Save and choose where you want your signature to automatically appear on new messages or emails you draft from scratch, and on replies and forwards. You can also insert files, Outlook items, signatures, and much more from the Insert tab found along the top of the window. On the left-hand side of the Outlook client, you will see the following icons: Mail, Calendar, People, To Do, Tasks, and more apps. Your Outlook client will always open to the Mail tab by default. To see and/or create upcoming meetings or appointments, click on the Calendar tab. Once here, you can customize your calendar view by day, work week, month, or schedule view. If you have access to other calendars, you will see them here as well. You can toggle which calendars you want to view. To create a new meeting, you can either double-click on your desired day or click on New Meeting on the top left corner of the window. If you want to invite people to your meeting, click on New Meeting. If you would like to create a reminder for yourself, I recommend using the New Appointment option. Once you click on New Meeting, once this new window opens, you can name your meeting, add required attendees, add optional attendees, put your start date and time and your end date and time, as well as the location. Once you fill out all of this information, go ahead and click send, and all of your attendees will get an email notification. Under the People tab, you will see your contacts. You can add a new contact by clicking on New Contact on the top left. A new window will appear. Fill out their information and hit Save and Close. With the Tasks tab, you can create and keep track of any tasks you need to complete. You can filter these tasks by tasks that need to be completed today, by important tasks, by upcoming or planned tasks, and by tasks that have been assigned to you. You can also see your tasks in the Tasks tab. Under the More Apps tab, you will see the option to see your folders, create notes, and access other Microsoft Office applications. Most of the items mentioned can be created using the New Items shortcut found on the top left of your window. You have the option to create a new email, a storyline post, appointment, meeting, group, contact, task, or more. If you would like to switch to the new Outlook, toggle the option on in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click Switch. This is what the new Outlook looks like. Your default view is still your Mail tab. On the left, you still have Mail, Calendar, People, To Do, and more apps. But now you also have a Groups tab and a OneDrive tab. Click on Groups to see any groups you have been added to. Click on the OneDrive tab to access your OneDrive. If any email accounts have been shared with you, note that you may run into an issue where you are unable to sign in or access the email account. If you do, no worries. You can still access those emails under the Shared with Me folder. If you do decide to try the new Outlook and you want to revert back to the old version of Outlook, you can go ahead and toggle the option off on the top right corner of your screen. The version of Outlook you use is completely up to you. Play around with both the new and old versions of Outlook and see which one you feel most comfortable with. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact ITS Training Services through email itstrainingservices@csusb.edu or by phone at 909-537-7425 or extension 77425 for those on campus.